For this, you'll need the base, well-based pigment, and your base font and a mixer.
Yeah! The base is a cream that gives thickness and volume to the pigment.
The recommended mix for the ink is 25% pigment and 75% base.
Now mix. Do not be afraid to add more base if you think the ink is too liquid. The ink will be good enough as soon as you see that it sticks to the mixer like this. For this you'll need 4 pieces of wood, nails, Italian veil, and a stapler. Make a square or a rectangle frame with the wood. Beautiful! Stretch the veil on top of the frame like this and staple it. Make sure that there are no wrinkles on it. This is no easy task, so you might need some help to do it. By the end, it should look like this. Now it's a good time to talk about the film. This is the image that we're going to print. You'll need to make it on tracing paper. You can print the image on top of it or just draw it with black marker. This is the emulsion. This is a photosensitive chemical and one of the most important parts of silkscreen printing. We'll need to spread a very thin layer of it on the frame. Do it like this. Make sure it is as even and clean as possible. Let it dry. Now for the contact printer. This machine will copy the image onto the frame with help of the emulsion. Place the frame with the image on top and a transparent lid, like a glass to press it. The recommended time of exposure is 30 to 60 seconds. After the exposure, clean the frame with water until you see the image of the film clearly and let it dry. Now for the printing process. Place the frame on top of the substratum you want to print it. Put a good amount of ink on the frame. Apply the ink with the palette as shown here. Let's see if it worked. Stretch the frame. How do you stretch a frame? No! Make sure that there are no... Make sure that the... No, I forgot the staple part. Ah! This is no easy task. This is no easy task, so you might... This is no easy task, so you might need a friend. Oh, that sounded really robotic. I hated it. This is no easy task, so you might need a friend to do it. Not a friend. You might not have a friend. This is no easy task, so you might need... This is no easy task. Subject failed. Test failed. This is the companion cube. My computer is lagging. Wait, I don't know how to say it. Gee. Is it tracing paper or is it like diamond paper? It's papel. It's papel diamante in Spanish. Now it's a good time to. It's not a good time. It's a bad time. I'm starting to sound like a robot. I forgot. I'm starting to lose my English. Help me. Okay, I did it. That's all I'm gonna say. I think that's good enough. I give up.